Okay, good evening, Athena. Good evening. Okay, so how are you? I'm good. Okay, good. So, did you practice that? Okay, so now we are going to see a new topic today. Share your screen. Yeah, new tab. Go to new tab. The plus arrow is there, no? The top. In the top. Go to top. The plus arrow. Click there. Yes. Uh, Now type Google Collab. Go to Google. Uh, so now you are using this account. Okay, Google. Go ahead. Go ahead. Google Collab. Go. Okay. Click the first. Yeah, yeah, it's okay. That's okay. You're on the right page only. Welcome to Collab. Fine. Okay. Now create a new notebook. Yeah, no notebook. Okay. So there is a release notice there, no? On the right hand side. Close it. Give the into bar. Okay. First, look at the thing. Okay. Look at the top left. Okay. So here you have a symbol, the yellow color, orange yellow, right? That is the logo. Keep your cursor there. Keep your cursor there. That is the logo of Google Colab. Go to the next logo. That is Google Drive. To the left, right, yeah. And the file is named as untitled, right? Untitled 0.ipynb. Okay. It's saved as I. இந்த மாதிரி save. What is that? IPYNB. Okay. So it's saved as like that. So இது என்னன்னா whenever we save our image or anything, no, we'll save it as a PNG or JPG, right? So like that, this is nothing but IPython notebook file. Okay, this is the full form of this. So we are saving it as a Python notebook file. We are saving it. Okay, and the name you can change the name. Click that. Click that. Okay, can you see? You can change from before the dot. Go to the before the dot. Dot இருக்குல்ல அங்க go. Before the dot. Before. அங்க இருந்துட்டு you can change the program. Okay, you can change the program. Change the program as hello world. Okay, that is rename it. Rename it hello. Type hello underscore world. Small. Is it small? Everything small. Underscore. Use underscore. Underscore will be the. You know under what is underscore? Shift. Underscore. Don't give a space. Underscore world. Okay. Hello world. Come out. Okay, so this is your file name. Okay, that is how you can change the file name. Okay, again rename it as variables. Yeah, one. Okay, so now look at okay, we have already seen that how to print the print and the whatever how to put the the strings inside and how you can print function எப்படி யூஸ் ஆகுதுன்றத we have already saw it. Okay, so here you look at there a cell. Okay, so there is a cell, no, this is we call it as a coding cell. Okay, code cell. Okay, here we are going to start the code. um, we know the Google Colab is an online Python notebook, so there we can write our code, run the code, okay va, get the output, graph, automatic automation எல்லாமே இதெல்லாம் பண்ணலாம். So the basic features என்னென்ன பார்க்கணும்னா, first of all we are going to see that the coding cell, the cell இது மாதிரி the cursor is there, no, where is your cursor? The start coding or generative AI, generate with AI ன்னு இருக்கா, keep down, go down, there is a cell, no, okay, 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 there we are going to just don't that the underscore இருக்குல்ல, that is a link, go place it, அதை விட்டுட்டு come to the start coding இருக்கா, start coding, keep the start, click there, so you can start writing your code there. It is a code cell where we will write the Python code next. Okay, so now look at here, there command பக்கத்துல பாரு, there is a command பக்கத்துல plus code இருக்கா, click there, you will find a new cell. Okay, so next just check the next அது பக்கத்துலயே there is a arrow, down arrow இருக்கு, click there. Okay, okay, so okay, add AI prompt cell. Okay, click that. So we didn't write any code yet. Okay, so you can ask, okay, this is a AI, this is a AI, so you can ask the um, like here you can ask where என்ன மாதிரி code பண்ணணும், or like explaining the code, or like fixing the error, or write the program, or anything you can write it and ask there. Okay, now we'll close that. Okay, so to close it, there is a run இது இருக்குல்ல, check there is a bin box, give that, the cell will delete it. Okay, okay, so now next check the next one, there is a text cell is there, click that, text is there, click that. So here you can put all your text, or like you can upload the image, the MS Word. You don't know MS Word doc? Okay, nothing here, you can write it here. The look at the B for B stands for bold. Okay, bold bold letters are இருக்கும், you can write there, write I'll tell you how to do everything slow. So this is the basic features. பக்கத்தில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா run all இருக்கா, run allனா நம்ம first print கொடுத்துட்டு we have given the button run, right? run கொடுத்தோன்னா it showed நமக்கு வந்து என்ன வந்து நம்மளோட ரிசல்ட்டு அங்கே தான் வந்து it showed நமக்கு காமிச்சிது, ரைட்டா? That is the run button. Are you understanding? Is that easy? Purida, could you able to understand? Okay, now go to the first cell, first cell, start coding. Okay, click there, click the start. அங்கே ஒரு ப்ளே பட்டன் மாதிரி இருக்குல்ல, that is the run cell. அது வந்து what it will do na, it will run only that cell alone, it will not run all the cells. Okay, so click enter there, put enter or click there. Okay, click. Okay, now we are going to create a variable. Okay, now we are going to create a variable. So in mathematics, I hope you have learned that variables. In algebra, they would have introduced that variables, right? So what is variable? Okay, I'll tell you. Variables are like an empty container. First of all, you take any so if you have any box, okay, plain box. For example, look at here. I have a water bottle here. Okay, so it is a plain water bottle, right? It is a plain water bottle. I have filled I have filled water in this bottle, right? So that's why I'm calling it as a water bottle, right? If I filled it with the juice, what will you say? Juice bottle. If I filled the bottle with a soup, right? So if I filled this bottle with stones or chocolate, stone or chocolate, you will say bring that chocolate box. Bring that I have filled. Bring that container, the stone box. Okay, so variables are like an empty container. The bottle, it's like a bottle. Okay, it's like a bottle. If I didn't fill anything, it is an empty container, right? So I'm going to name it. I'm going to name it like this. I'll show you another example. Okay, so look at here. So here we have a Bailey water bottle, right? It's empty now. Okay, so this is an empty container, and we are naming it Bailey, Distillery, Aqua, right? So variables are like something. It's an empty container. It's going to hold some information. What? It's going to hold some information or hold something. So regarding that, we are going to name it. In mathematics, we'll give you like X, Y, Z. Will uh, will give some general name variables, and we will store some value in that. Okay, so if I put some values, if I put some things, if I say like go and take the Bailey water bottle, you will take the Bailey water bottle, and also I fill the water inside that. Okay, right? If you take the bottle, you will also take the water inside the water inside the bottle. You are taking the water inside the bottle. Okay, so variables are like that. You can name it anything. Since I'm going to name it this Bailey, I can also introduce Mexil water bottle. Am I right? I can also introduce Athena's water bottle, right? We can introduce, but it is an empty container. As we are going to name it, and we are going to put the material what is related to that. We can also give the general name X, Y, Z. Also, we can name it. Since we in general the mathematics or science will name it X, Y, Z to make it gentle, and for make the thing easier. Okay. Okay, now we are going to create a variable called message. Okay, now write there message. Message. Okay, so now give equal to. If whenever we create a variable, we need not to give inside the string, just write it and give equal to. Variables after this, x is equal to, y is equal to. So now see the thing is gone. Okay, and when there is no equal to, you saw some lines, some line under that, no, so it's showing that is you are doing something wrong. That's why it will show like that. So when you put equal to sign, so it is becoming a variable. That is mean it is an empty container. Now it is an empty container. So we are going to put the message inside that empty container. Okay, are you getting the point? So we are going to put the message inside the value inside the variable. Okay, so we are going to write the value, put since we are going to use the string words. Okay, so now we are going to use what? Use what, Athena? Tell me. I'm in the class with Athena.
She joined.
If you want, you can join.
Link please.
Yeah, okay. Bye.
Thank you.
Sorry, tell me. Yeah, you should use the string. Use the string. Double string. What below one? No problem, no problem. Put the string first of all. No, what is string? I told you. The quote, double quote, single quote. What? You forgot? What? Double quote. You're right. What's your doubt? Tell me. Okay. What is your doubt? Double quote or single quote? Yeah, that is the string. We'll say that use the string. Okay. Now write something inside hello Python word. Write it. Yes, leave space. You can write anything. I love you. Last time you wrote no. I love my parents. I love Melbourne. I love this auntie. That is how right. Same like that. Hello Python world. Come out from the double quote. No, just come out from there. No, like that. Give enter. Yeah. So now we have for last time what we have done. Go to the first code. The start coding irukla anga po. Click there. Last time how you did print whatever you done, no? Print. You do that. Mm. Mm. So this is what you have done. Okay. So print is a function. Inside the function you have wrote this. Now what we have done, the second line, we have created a message variable. Okay. Now in the variable, see, this is a variable. Now in the variable I'm storing hello Python world. What I'm storing? Hello Python world. This is a empty box. So this box name we are name it as message, and we are we are storing hello Python world inside this box. Now if I say Athena bring the message box, what will you do? You will bring this box. Am I right? You will bring this box. What is inside the box? Hello Python world. Am I right? Hello Python world. Okay, that is it. So now we are going to say, okay, now we are going to print the message. What? We are going to print the message. Go there to the second code, second line. Print, type print, brackets, write message. Don't use the string. Need not to use the code. Put just message. Okay. Now come out. So last time, look at the first line. Okay, look at the first line. Print I love you, I love God. Okay. Now you directly given that. In the second message, you are saying print message. So how it will work? So Python will print message in here. Python will check what is message. It will go and search for the message. Since message is a variable, and it will check what is inside that. What is inside that variable? So we have hello Python world. Right? Now let us run the cell. Okay? Go and give run all. Run all. Now you will see the output, right? So director print, when we give print and when we put the message, so it is directly printing it. Okay. So now we are putting inside the box. So and we are asking to print that variable. So why do we use this variable? Every time wherever you are writing lot of code, we need not to write it print I love God, print hello Python. We need not to say that. Just use the variable. You can access it many times. Can you understand? If at all you are not putting inside the uh, box, you have to write it every time, print I love God, print I love God. If at all you use print variables, if you are storing the message into the variable, just take the variable alone, you can use it anywhere. Purida? Do you understand? So you can use any variable. Instead of message, you can also use XYZ. Okay. Now create a new cell. Mm, very good. Code. Click plus code. Mm, okay. Now create a variable. Create a variable. Store some information, and print the variable. You can use anything, X, Y, Z, or like anything. Message, you need not to use the proper spelling also. You can use any spelling. MESAG also you can use. Okay. Try. We are using the same variable. Ah, different. Create different one. Anything. Anything. Check. See, there is அங்கே டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. Check. You have something under the like to study. Why it's showing? Check. First of all, find it out. Find out that. Why it's showing? Look at your previous line. Observe it. And do the same thing. What mistake are you doing? Mm. You have to tell Python that you are using words. Until Python will not understand that is you are using words. Print message. You are going to print the message or print the ABC? Okay. Okay. So, Athena, okay. Okay, listen, Athena. Okay, I'm your main teacher. You can listen to me alone. Okay, you can name it whatever you like. Okay, then, so there is a icon is there, no? The play button in the each cell. Can you see? In the each cell, you can see a play button. Uh, that is that play button is used to run that cell alone. Okay, so it will run only this cell, not all the cell. So when you give it here, it will run all the cell. Okay, when you want to check the one cell, okay, it will run this cell alone. So what is the use of this? Okay, so we have a lot of platform to write this code. Okay, so what is the specialty in the notebook, Jupyter notebook, is that you can see the output immediately. First of all, okay, since you didn't know about the other platform, okay, so you cannot, it is not easy for you to understand what is the difference, but I'll tell you. Okay, now look at, you have cell type, there is like a box, okay. So when you write the code, okay, you will also do some mistake, you will also find some error. Okay, so when you run all the code, it will run all the code. If you did mistake in the second line, it will stop there. It will stop there and it will say you are wrong. And balance, if you have written 1,000 line, you have did mistake in the second line, it will stop there itself. Okay, in Jupyter cell, you have in the type of cell type. Okay, in the Jupyter notebook, we have in the type of cell type. So we can find out where we did the mistake. Also, it will show you it is in the second line, it's the third line, and also you can find out the third cell, fourth cell. Have I done any mistake there by running this cell alone? Part max la part. So now you will not do the big sums at all, will be doing very small sums only. Okay, so we'll check, no, or major or mistake, for example, what can I say, um, I don't know. Okay, uh, இது வந்து ஃபுல்லாக வென் வி ரன், இப்போ ஃபுல்லாக ரன் பண்ணும்போது அதில் சின்ன மிஸ்டேக் இருந்தாலும் இட் வில் ஷோ யூ, இட் வில் ஸ்டாப் தேர், இட் வில் ஷோ யூ. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ யூ கேன் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட், இப்போ தனித்தனியாக செல் இருக்கும்போது என்ன ஆகும்னா, யூ கேன் ரன் each செல் அண்ட் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் எதில் மிஸ்டேக் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஓகே, தேர்ட் செல்லோட ரிசல்ட் நீங்கள் வந்து பார்த்துடலாம். Since you have done mistake in the second cell, you want to see the result of the third cell, you can see that by running this cell alone. புரியுதா? It will run all. Okay, so for example, go to the second cell. Okay, இப்போ வந்து print message இருக்கா, remove one yes from that. Okay, now come out. Okay, now come out. Now run all the cell. What it's showing? It's showing error. Yeah, can you see that? Showing error. Come down. Come down. Scroll down. Click there and scroll it down. இப்போ இங்க you didn't get the result. Can you see the third line? You didn't get the result, no? It stopped there itself. You couldn't find the result of third. So since you want to see the third, click the third cell. There is a play button, no? Click the third cell. Play the third button. Now you can see it. Since you got error there, you want to see the third cell result is right or wrong, you can run the each cell and you can find it out. So go to the second cell. We'll check the error. Okay, look at the error. It is saying it will show you what is the error. See, read that. Okay, message is equal to hello Python world. Print message. Name error. The error is name error. Name message is not defined. Not defined. I couldn't find. Okay, Python la auto correct la nadakadu. Okay, it will not do auto correction. Why na? So you can have MESAG as a variable too. Okay, MESAG தான் variable create பண்ணனும் இல்ல, MESAG variable கூட create பண்ணலாம். You can create anything like ABC. So now go to the second line, remove the S from the variable. Yes from the variable, not from the print variable. Go to the variable. Yes, remove the S from the variable. Okay, now run the cell. There is a play button. Run the cell. Yeah. Can you see? You will get the output. So you need not to use the correct variable or like you have to use a perfect one. The variables, but you should know for what you are using it. The variable, mostly the variable should be very short, okay, and it should be understandable. That is, you could understand it. The person who create the variable, that person should understand what variable, why, where I'm using it, and where I should use it again. Got it, Athena? Okay. So to create a variable, there are some rules. Okay. So variables can contain only letters, numbers, underscore. What are they? Very good. They can contain only letters. What code? Variables. We are talking about the variables. Variables. What is variables? We are going to name the container, right? So MESHASHAG சொல்லிட்டு நம்ம variable create பண்ணுவோம்ல, அந்த மாதிரி to create a variable we have some rules. Now variables can have only letters, numbers and what? Underscore. You cannot create a variable using star or asterisk or brackets or sidebar or like anything. You cannot use it like that. Also look at the order. Okay, look at the order. So you can create a variable, okay, letters, numbers and what? Note it down. Letters, numbers, variables, underscores. Okay, one. Check that. Why it's showing? Okay, so I'm asking you, Athena. Athena, you go and take Bailey water bottle. I'm saying, but there is only Bisleri water bottle. You are going and searching. You couldn't find a Bailey. What will you say? Akka, auntie, there is no Bailey water bottle. Only Bisleri water bottle are available. You will say no. That is what is saying. A, B, F is not defined. Okay. Could you understand? Okay. So the one I have given you the condition, right? The variables can start with letter, numbers and underscore. Also the variable should not start with numbers. என்ன புரியுதா? என்னது புரியுது சொல்லுங்க. Tell me what you understood. Okay. You should not start with a number. Okay. You should not start with a number. Go to the next cell. Go to the new cell. Okay. Yeah, already created it. Okay. Right there. Okay. Put it there. Okay. You can write. Okay. Message. Write message. Underscore. 1 equal to, you can write whatever thing. Okay, so this is how in this way you can create a variable. But what way you cannot create a variable is remove 1 and underscore there from there. Go to the before him. Put 1 underscore you cannot create like that. Okay, and okay, you got it. And remove 1. You can also start with underscore. Your variable can start with underscore. Okay, so you got it right. So it should not start with numbers. What? Variables is done. And also space are not allowed. Space. Variables no space. Space are not allowed. Okay. So instead of space you can use underscore. Okay, you got it? You could understand? Okay. Okay, what is variable you understood? Now practice this. Create a variable, 10 variables, put the information and print it. Okay? So I think this is enough today. Do you want to learn more? Yes, auntie. Okay, I'll teach you. Okay? Okay, now we are going to learn strings. Okay? Go to the next cell. Strings. Go to the new cell. Go to the new cell. Go to the new cell. Okay. No. Come down. Come to the next. Create a text cell. அங்கே பாரும்போது வைக்கும்போது தெரியுது பாரு, கீழே தெரியும் பாரு. டெக்ஸ்ட்டில் போயிட்டு புட் ஸ்ட்ரிங்ஸ், டைப் ஸ்ட்ரிங்ஸ், S3, make it bold, S3. Yeah, right there. Strings. And the astra, sorry, remove it, everything. Strings bold, strings. You want to make it bold, click panni bold pannunga. Okay, it will be like that. Okay. Now strings koduthacha. Now okay, ipo go to new cell, scroll down, go to new cell. Yeah, plus code inge unakku vekkumbodhu plus code kaatudilla. Okay, now okay, anga scroll up. Inge theriyudilla male appo இப்போ பார்க்கும்போது வைக்கும்போது keep the cursor there. நோடா keep the cursor on the cell. இப்போ வந்து கீழே தெரியுதா கோடு டெக்ஸ்ட்ன்ட்டு. You can also give like that. Okay, scroll up. So delete the cell below the hello Python world. Not that one. control Z கொடு control Z கொடு control Z press பண்ணு Z okay take it out, take this keep the cursor out, click there, now control Z sure, okay, go and delete the message, that cell, delete it, click the below cell also, the cell below it, okay, now come to the cell string, below the string, okay, create a variable, okay, create a variable like a, create a variable a, okay, so we can use double type of strings, okay, put equal to, once you, if I say a variable, you should put equal to, okay, you can use two types of strings, okay, you can use both double quote or single quote, use double quote and write something, write something, okay, come down, now come down, create a variable called b equal to use single quote, that is colon, அதே மாதிரி ஒன்று மட்டும் இருக்கும் பாரு, enter பக்கத்தில் இருக்கும், now write something, okay, now come down, you yourself understand where you are making mistake, okay, so whenever I say come down, you should come out completely, then enter the press the enter, okay, now print a, yeah, print a, now see, print a, of course it's a function, you should put the bracket, come out, come down, print b, yeah, now run that cell alone, yeah, now you can see, you can get the output, so you can use double quote and single quote. Why do we use this, okay, why do we use this kind of special thing, okay, ஏன் double quote இருக்கு single quote இருக்குன்னு பார்ப்போம், go to the next cell, create a next cell, sometimes, okay, sometimes like we want to print something inside the double quote, okay, for example Gandhiji said, how we will write, Gandhiji said, we'll use the quote, no, double quote and write, no, right, in the direct and indirect speech la kuda will say, no, direct Athena said அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு I'll tell you, Athena said, I love my family, so we'll use double quote, right, double quote, correct, we want to print it with the double quote. Appo we can use single quote there. So I'll tell you how to write it. So create a variable C. Okay, C. Okay, now use single quote. Athena said, right? Athena said, comma. But use double quote only. You know double quote? Come to the center of the double quote. Now write Athena what said, I love my family. Write that. Put exclamatory. It's top to the one. Okay, now print the C. Okay, now run that cell. Now see, you could find out the quote. I love my family. It's coming. Okay, are you okay? It's with the quote. Can you see that? So you are printing with the quote. So that is a difference. So you should know where we can use the single quote and double quote. Okay, look at there. We used single quote. Okay, wow. So since we use a single quote there, okay, we are telling Python we are going to use the letters. Okay, except the single quote, we can use anything inside. It will take it as a word. The double quote also, it will consider as a word. புரியுதா அத்தினா? இந்த சிங்கிள் கோட் தான் இப்போ பார்டர். ஓகேவா? இந்த பார்டருக்குள்ள நான் என்ன போட்டாலுமே that will become words except இந்த சிங்கிள் ரெண்டு சிங்கிள் கோட் போட்டிருக்கேன்னா இது உள்ள நான் எழுதுறது எல்லாமே it should contain anything except the single quote. புரியுதா? நான் ஆல்ரெடி சிங்கிள் கோட் வெளியிலையும் உள்ளேயும் கொடுத்துட்டேன். there is a single quote outside and inside. Okay, double quotes are there. Okay, single quote. இப்போ நான் ஒரு quote, you can put double quote or single quote, anything. You have done it. Okay, so whatever you are going to write inside, the computer is going to take it as a word. You can put star, anything, ash, anything except you should not put the single quote போட்டிருந்தீங்கன்னா single quote உள்ள கொடுக்கக்கூடாது. டபுள் கோட் போட்டிருந்தீங்கன்னா டபுள் கோட் உள்ள கொடுக்கக்கூடாது. புரியுதா? You think it as like a border. You should not use that border inside the whatever you write. Yeah, we are done, no? புரியல. இப்போ வெளியில we have done single quote. இப்போ உள்ள I want to use double quote, so I am using double quote. So that will also consider as a word. இப்போ create a variable called d. அதிலே c கிளி, just give an enter. Print cd கொடுமா, enter கொடு. D. I'm not asking you to print the D. Create D variable. D. Leave that. Come to the next line. Here itself. Type D. Equals to. Put double quote here. Here. Okay, now write one of one of ONE 1 space off, OF off, 1 off, OF off space, Athena's, how will you write? Athena, apostrophe, put apostrophe, it's above, not comma, apostrophe, it's not apostrophe, it's adeda, single quote, yes, Athena's strength is space, what's your strength? Smile, smile, put smile or communication. So now look at the sentence. Here we used single apostrophe, single quote here in the name Athena's. Okay, now print the D. Come out completely. Print D. Now run that cell. Now see, you can see the output with the apostrophe, with the single quote. Can you see why? So why we should not use the single quote outside also? Why can't we use single quote outside also? Put single quote outside also. Try now. Remove the double quote and put the single quote. Not remove the double quote and put the single quote. I'm telling you, why can't we use single quote outside also inside? Okay. So it's showing error. What it will happen? Inge one ku munnadi we are using the single quote. Take it. Take the cursor from there. Okay. Before O we are using single quote, and we are using apostrophe, that is also single quote, right? We are using apostrophe, that is also a single quote. Okay. So Python will consider it as a one of Athena. It will stop there. Run it and see. Okay, it's showing error. இதுக்கப்புறமா yes strength is communicationலாம் என்னன்னே தெரியல அதுக்கு. Okay, புரியுதா? Did you get it, Athena? Now give control Z. It's not working here. Okay, now you deleted it. So you understood how we should use the quote and single thing. Use control Y. What kind of what laptop you are using? Okay, use control Y. Okay, sit down. Okay, click the edit menu. Edit இருக்கா டாப்ல ஃபைல் பக்கத்துல இருக்கு பாரு. Click it. Undo is there. Do it again. You couldn't get, give it again. give redo. Okay, come. So you got it. How we should use single quote, double quote, ரெண்டுமே யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். You understood that? Okay, now your homework is create 10 variables and try to print it. Okay. Print that variable. Okay. தனித்தனியா. And then in the 5 variable, okay, I want someone quote should come inside. Gandhiji quote, props, something. You can do it slowly. You want to do it now itself? Do it? Huh? Do. Create a new cell. You take someone quote, Gandhiji's quote, or Elon Musk quote, or Ronaldo what he said, some quote, some. You can take it from Google also. Don't use A. Use something. I already used. No, I want the output should be inside the code. Athena, I want our output should be inside the code. Okay, adu na approach code. No problem. Try to do it. No, Athena. Athena, no. I want. See, last time how we did, the output itself came. Output itself came with the code. என்ன put mom இருக்குல்ல mom இருக்குல்ல put single quote outside அங்க இல்லடா டா double quote put double quote வெளியில வா double quote வெளியில வா come out to the give single quote இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும் give single quote there now print yeah now print yeah I know print form do you get what I'm asking do you get what I'm asking run the cell do you get so see the output okay and another example I have shown another Athena's strength so we used apostrophe புரியுதா என்னது mom why you have to cancel huh to do the time variables எனக்கு புரியல புரியலடா தமிழ்ல சொல்லு டேபிள்ஸா சரி variables you continue that yeah you can continue you can do continue next you can put next line go to next line yeah you can continue use like use like that apostrophe thing okay this is Athena's pen this is Athena's work like that something apostrophe marks obviously it come error. So you are using outside, you are using single quote. Ah, if you are using the single quote inside means you should not use single quote outside. Oh, only use double quote. Ah, I think. Athena's. Ath- இப்போ will say no, we don't know, I don't know, I can, I can't, இப்போ அதெல்லாம் apostrophe தான் யூஸ் பண்ணும், கரெக்டா? ஸோ அந்த மாதிரிலாம் வரும்போது we should use double quote outside. Practice, practice. Yeah. No, no. Yeah. Come down, scroll down. So you got all. Keep it in the cell. Keep it in the cell. Okay. That's good. You share the. Okay. Athena. There is a share button, is there? No. See, share. Share. Find out where it's shared. Find out. Check one by one. You check and find out share where it is. Share. Click that. Click that. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Hello. 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 Okay, Athena. Listen. So there is a copy link irka. Click that copy link. Restricted irka. Click that restricted. Anyone? Okay. Very good. Okay. Uh, click the viewer. Give editor. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now copy the. Now go to the add people. That add people groups are there, no? Ade, there is a box. Is there? Click the share. Click the share. Box is there, no? Top. Click that box. Type Priscilla, PRI. Yes, C, SCI. Yes, yes, SCI. Yes, PRI. Yes. Yes. CI. LLA. Maxil. MC. @gmail.com. .com. Click that. Give send. Okay. Okay, Athena. That's it. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class. You have learned something new. So we'll meet on Thursday. I'll tell you. You also call me. Okay. Okay, Athena. Take care. Bye bye.